How to drive the all-new 2026 Toyota BZ. First, have the key fob with you. Unlock the vehicle by touching the inside of the door handle. Depress brake pedal. Push the power button. Vehicle is started. Put the vehicle into drive by pushing down and twisting to the right in a fluid motion. When done driving, press the park button. To turn off the vehicle, press the power button. Exit the vehicle and touch the door handle to lock the doors. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen.